Hello, I'm going to solve these questions. This is the Math Olympiad questions. At first, I'm starting from here. Square on both sides. By squaring, we're gonna get, it's gonna be x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 equal 2. So x square plus 1 over x square transfer 2 to the right side, and it's gonna be 2 minus 2 is 0. Now do LCM. X square is gonna be x power 4 plus 1 equals 0. Now cross multiply. X power 4 plus 1 equals 0. So x power 4 equal minus 1. Now I'm going to put this value in here. X power 2026 plus 1 over x power 2026. Now I'm going to write x power 4 power 506 into x squared plus 1 over x power 4 power 506 into x squared, and x power 4 equal 1 506 into x squared plus 1 over minus 1 506 into x squared. Since power is even number, so it's going to be positive. That means x squared. Power even, so it's going to be positive 1. 1 multiply x squared. Now we can write x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2. Its value given in the questions, which is root 2 square minus 2. So 2 minus 2, that means 0. This is our required answer.